Okay, so now to fold in the bed ends, I showed you in the other video how we put the front bed out. This time I'll show you how the back, they're both the same, how this works, but I just happen to be here at the back one. So we fold the mattress over, just do up the straps over the mattress. Pull them tight. Now, if you are going from one place to another place, you can actually leave your sheets and quilts in the mattresses there and fold the mattresses together and still do up the straps. Just then put your pillows, you know, somewhere else, and there is enough room there that you can keep your quilts and sheets in there. Then you just take this bar out of the top, push it in. That part drops over top of the mattress. Basically just put this bar down here somewhere. And that's it. Now we'll go outside. Now once you undo these couple of domes here for the storm covers, you'll see here it's sort of all folded down inside. So basically we just have to push this up, okay, and then just ensure that on both sides that this here is all getting tucked away. And then that just closes up, just making sure that that doesn't get caught there, and that little latch holds that up there. Now these storm covers, there's a little dome here on this corner. Basically you take this dome, push that in, and it buttons up to the top here on both sides. Done it this way, it just makes it a lot easier than taking them on and off each time. Now that's all strapped, buttoned up there. Basically just fold the end down. A little bit of pressure on there with the shoulder and just spin the locks right around, and that's it, bed's stored. The front bed is exactly the same, except you just don't have that latch up the top there. So that's it for on how to store the beds.